Hey everyone, my name's Aaron. I run EDM Detailing located on the Gold Coast in Australia. I'm a paint protection specialist. We do paint corrections, ceramic coatings and primarily paint protection film, PPF, protecting against stone chips, scratches, car park mishaps. This is just a quick introduction. We are officially starting a YouTube channel. The format for videos has not quite been decided yet, but you will see a lot of it's going to be off the cuff, quite sporadic. But what we're going to do is a lot of tutorials, a lot of how-tos, a lot of install processes and a lot of informational stuff, so you can learn what detailers do, why they do it, how they do it, what they can and cannot do, what we use to do it, what PPF is, ceramic coatings, paint correction. Hopefully you find it entertaining. That's the primary point of it. Entertainment, information. I'm going to try and upload 1 to 2 times per month to begin with, but in the meantime, check out our Instagram at EDM_detailing. That will give you an idea of just who I am, how I operate, and the kind of things that I do here. I do operate out of a home garage. You'll have noticed there's some mess there. It's very hard to cover it all up, but I will try my best in future to keep just me and the car in shot. So again, I appreciate your time. Have some patience, subscribe, get ready, and yeah, let's just have a good time. Thanks for now.